Okay, so here we are pulling up to a dock at the end of the canal, and it's a pretty tight canal. Normally this would be a pretty tricky spot to park in, but fortunately my boat has the ezDrive thrusters on it. So all I'm doing right now to spin the boat is just holding that thruster button down. It is effortlessly spinning me around. And additionally, we're dealing with a little bit of a headwind here, but it's still no worries. Just holding down that thruster button spun me super quickly. And just like that, we are here at the dock. It couldn't be much more simple than using these ezDrive thrusters to park your boat.